G'day collectors, welcome back to the Authentic Collectables office. Today we've got a couple of plain Janes and a Matt Payne. Well, if you've never seen one of these before, welcome to the show. Nothing really happens here apart from the fact that we open up cars. So if you've been living under a rock, every time we get a container coming down, we get the factory to send us a couple of cars so that we've got a bit of a look at what's coming before it actually arrives here, so we can do our licensing and advertising stuff, which is kind of what this is all about. This is the first chance we actually get to look at the cars that have been produced, and we like to take you along for the ride. So without further ado, let's get ripping into these and have a look at what we've got. So we've got two plain bodies for all of you Code 3ers out there, both Mustangs. One's gloss white, the other one's matte black. Why would we do that, I wonder? And obviously the Penrite Racing JR Trophy winning car that was driven by Matt Payne. So this has got a couple of cool little goodies in it. Let's get into it, rip them apart. Well, there you go. 3 Mustangs, all a little bit different. Let's do a bit of a deep dive on the plain bodies, because there's something to talk about there. Yep, so these are our Ford GT Mustang Gen 3 Supercars in plain bodies. These are pretty much set up for people who like to do their own thing. Also for the Code 3ers out there that want to make your own cars or get other people to make your own cars, these are the basis for what you want to do these for. Obviously we have a matte black one for reasons. And the white one is a really good base if you want to go and do your own stuff. Thankfully, these we are now doing in an open edition. That means when you actually open up the box, you'll get a certificate of authenticity because it's legit, it's still us, but you don't actually have the issue of having a limited edition run. So we can do these, and then at a later date we might do another set. We're not doing the limited edition stuff. But they still are, they still get a certificate of authenticity and all that sort of stuff. It's just we can redo them every now and again. So don't feel like they're not going to ever happen again. We will be doing these in the future. Grab them if you want them. I know a few people will be itching to get their hands on especially the matte black one. So yeah, not too long to wait now. Okay, let's go and have a look at the other one. Well, from matte black to Matt Payne, here we go. So this is the Jason Richards Trophy winner from 2025, as raced by Matt Payne, the ITM Super 440 over in New Zealand. This is also the Anzac livery that they were running at the time, which I actually think is kind of cool. We've done a bit of a deal with the RSL so that we can use the Anzac Appeal stuff on our packaging, on the car as well. We're doing a bit of a donation to the RSL as part of all of that. As a bit of an extra little Easter egg, you actually get a JR trophy in this one, which we've never done before, so that's kind of cool. If you're a bit of a fan of Matt Payne, a bit of a fan of Penrite Racing, a bit of a fan of Anzac stuff, there's actually a whole bunch of these that we've done in the past. Come and grab it. It's bloody mint. I reckon it's awesome. Anyway, that wraps it up for this time. As always, like, subscribe, ring the bell, do all that other guff that we say here on YouTube. Keep collecting and we'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Definitely grab this one. This is something out of the ordinary. My phone is ringing, so okay. Now what? What do you need?
I don't suppose that yellow plastic jerry can's out the back.
Oh,